Lessons in Spoken English, Part 1. Prepared by Ms. Mukta Mani of English Language Teaching Institute, Allahabad, and recorded at Education Expansion Department, Units of the State Council of Educational Research and Training, Uttar Pradesh. This part deals with accent. Section 1. Word accent. In an English word of more than one syllable, one of the syllables is pronounced with greater prominence than the others. The syllable that is pronounced more prominently than the others is said to be accented. Lesson 1. This lesson deals with words of two syllables. Exercise 1. Each of these words has two syllables and the accent is on the first syllable. Listen to each word and repeat it. Almost, also, always, anger, answer, anxious, any, army, arrow, August.
Baby, barrel, basket, better, blanket, bottom, breakfast, broadcast, bulging, busy.
Caliph, cannot, canvas, captain, capture, carriage, certain, children, city, comfort.
Comrade, constant, corner, cotton, country, courage, courtier, coward, creature, cricket.
Current, curtain, danger, different, dinner, dirty, distance, district, doctor, dozen.
Eager, early, easy, either, engine, English, enter, equal, Europe, even.
Evening, every, evil, failure, family, famous, fancy, fashion, favorite, fiery.
Finger, follow, foreign, forest, forward, fortune, fountain, frequent, funeral, furlong.
Garment, gather, German, glorious, golden, govern, greedy, gutter, habit, haggling.
Halcyon, happy, harvest, hatred, heaven, honest, honor, 100, hungry, husband.
India, influence, injury, interest, into, island, jealous, jewel, journey, justice.
Kitchen, knowledge, labor, ladder, lady, language, lantern, lavish, lazy, London.
Major, manage, market, marriage, meadow, merchant, minor, minute, model, movement.
Money, morning, mother, mountain, narrow, native, needle, neighbor, neither, nephew,
never, nonsense, Norway, nothing, offer, only, open, orchard, often, over,
palace, pardon, parents, patience, peacock, people, petrol, pilot, pleasure, pocket,
precious, preference, pretty, prison, problem, publish, punish, pupil, purpose, puzzle,
quarrel, quarter, question, rather, ready, realize, reason, rescue, river, rubbish,
sacred, scatter, secret, second, selfish, serious, servant, several, shower, signal,
silent, soldier, sorrow, special, squander, squirrel, stomach, struggle, student, surgeon,
talent, thorough, thousand, tiny, treasure, trouble, trousers, trumpet, tutor, 20,
uncle, under, utter, value, various, vehicle, very, vessel, viceroy, village,
wager, wonder, wanton, water, wealthy, weary, weaver, welcome, western, weather,
whisper, wicked, window, wisdom, woman, wonder, worry, wretched, yellow, yonder.
Exercise 2. Each of these words has the accent on the second syllable. Listen to each word and repeat it. About, above, abuse, achieve, across, address, afraid, again, against, ago,
Alive, allow, alone, along, allowed, annoy, apart, appear, approve, arise,
around, arrange, ascend, asleep, astray, attack, attempt, attract, avoid, away,
balloon, bizarre, because, become, before, begin, behalf, behave, behind, believe,
belong, beside, between, beyond, brocade, cigar, collect, command, compare, complaint,
complete, condemn, confuse, contain, control, decide, declare, degree, delay, deny,
depart, depend, descend, describe, design, desire, despair, destroy, discuss, disease,
disgrace, disgust, distress, divide, embrace, empire, enjoy, enough, inquire, escape,
event, exact, exam, exchange, excuse, exist, expect, explain, extend, extreme,
forget, forgive, hotel, idea, improve, include, indeed, insist, instead, invent,
Japan, machine, maintain, mistake, neglect, obey, oblige, observe, offend, oppose,
perhaps, police, possess, prepare, pretend, preside, receive, recline, refuse, regret,
rehearse, rely, remain, reply, request, result, return, revenge, revive, rotate,
success, suppose, surround, throughout, today, tonight, towards, upon, within, without.
Test 1. Ear training. This is a test of oral discrimination. Each word will be said twice and you have to say whether the accent is on the first or the second syllable. Example. Address, address.
Second,
Let's begin now. Again, again.
second,
Arrow, arrow.
first,
Begin, begin.
second,
Broadcast, broadcast.
first,
Comfort, comfort.
first,
Discuss, discuss.
second,
Enough, enough.
second,
Fiery, fiery.
first,
Forgive, forgive.
second,
Fortune, fortune.
first,
Govern, govern.
first,
Hotel, hotel.
second,
Idea, idea.
second,
Influence, influence.
first,
Nephew, nephew.
first,
Obey, obey.
second,
Perhaps, perhaps.
second,
Petrol, petrol.
first,
Ready, ready.
first,
Success, success.
second,
Production test. Please refer to test 2 of lesson 1. This is a test of the production of correct accentual patterns. When you hear the serial number, say the word with the correct accentuation. Then you will hear the word said correctly and you must repeat it. Begin.
1,
Although,
2,
always,
3,
any,
4,
balloon,
5,
breakfast,
6,
busy,
7,
city,
8,
condemn,
9,
degree,
10,
enjoy,
11,
follow,
12,
forget,
13,
husband,
14,
instead,
15,
interest,
16,
neighbor,
17,
oppose,
18,
orchard,
19,
police,
20.
vehicle. That's the end of lesson 1. Lessons in Spoken English Part 1. Word accent. Lesson 2. There are a number of two-syllable words in English in which the word accent depends on whether the word is used as a noun, adjective or verb. If these words are used as nouns or adjectives, the accent is on the first syllable. And if these words are used as verbs, the accent is on the second syllable. In this lesson, practice is given in using some of these words according to their function in sentences. Exercise 1. Listen to these sentences in which the word present is used in different ways, as a noun, as an adjective, and as a verb. Repeat each sentence, taking special care to use the accentual pattern.
First, as a noun, present.
Marco Polo gave precious presents to his friends.
Now, as an adjective, present.
Socrates' disciples were present in the court.
And now, as a verb, present.
Alan's father promised him to present a bicycle. Exercise 2. Each of the following words will be said in two different ways and then used in sentences. Repeat each word in sentences in which it is used.
1. Noun, conduct. Verb, conduct.
She got a prize for good conduct. The president will conduct the program.
2. Noun, convict. Verb, convict.
The convict escaped from the prison. The police wanted to convict the guilty.
3. Noun, desert. Verb, desert.
The camel is the ship of the desert. Gautam Buddha decided to desert his family.
4. Noun, insult. Verb, insult.
The young girl took it as an insult. Landowners have no right to insult the farmers.
5. Noun, object. Verb, object.
Name the objects you see in the picture. We should not smoke if people object.
6. Noun, permit. Verb, permit.
Can't enter atomic power station without a permit. Kublai Khan did not permit Marco to go home.
7. Noun, progress. Verb, progress.
Vijay is making good progress in his studies. Mr. Sharma did not progress much after the accident.
8. Noun, record. Verb, record.
History is a record of past events. Please record the program for me.
9. Noun, refuse. Verb, refuse.
Don't throw the refuse on the road. Don't refuse to compromise.
10. Noun, subject. Adjective, subject. And verb, subject.
Physics is a difficult subject. We are no longer subject to foreign rule. Don't subject him to mental torture. It is to be remembered, however, that not all two-syllable words which can be used as nouns and verbs undergo such shift in the accented syllable. There are many words which are accented on the same syllable whether they are used as nouns or as verbs. For example,
address, attack, attempt, command, limit, order, petrol, remark, reply, visit.
that's the end of lesson 2. Lessons in Spoken English, Part 1, Word Accent. Lesson 3. This lesson deals with the accentuation of words containing more than two syllables. When a word is said in isolation, the most prominent syllable in the word initiates an important pitch movement and is said to have the primary or the tonic accent. Another syllable in the word may have a secondary accent. Exercise 1. Each of these words has 3 syllables and the primary accent is on the first syllable. Listen to each word and repeat it. Accident, accurate, aeroplane, atmosphere, beautiful, benefit, bicycle, capital, caravan, century,
Character, citizen, civilize, confidence, cultivate, dangerous, desperate, difficult, discipline, ebony,
adequate, excellent, furniture, geography, gramophone, hesitate, hydrogen, industry, innocent, library,
majesty, memory, messenger, minister, numerous, occupy, opposite, passenger, policy, possible,
poverty, probably, recognize, relative, sacrifice, satisfy, separate, sympathy, terrible, yesterday. Exercise 2. Each of these words has 3 syllables and the primary accent is on the second syllable. Listen to each word and repeat it. Advantage, adventure, already, another, astonish, Atlantic, behavior, consider, continue, convenience,
decisive, departure, determine, develop, discover, encourage, essential, experience, familiar, imagine,
immediate, important, November, Olympic, pedestrian, propeller, remember, September, together, tomorrow. Exercise 3. These words have 3 syllables each and the primary accent is on the third syllable. Listen to each word and repeat it. Addressee, afternoon, engineer, entertain, interfere,
interrupt, introduce, recommend, represent, understand.
Exercise 4. These words have more than 3 syllables each and the accent is not on any particular syllable. Listen to each word and repeat it. Aluminium, America, disconsolate, executive, hospitable,
Intelligent, Mediterranean, particular, satisfactory, solitary.
That's the end of lesson 3.